How to clean up iPhone audio recording. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Voice Memos application on your phone. This is the main page where you can see your recording folders. Tap on all recordings to see your full list of memos. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on Select. Choose the recordings you want to delete by tapping on the circle next to them. After selecting, tap on the delete icon at the bottom right corner. These recordings have now moved to the recently deleted folder. Now, go back to the main folders page and tap on Recently Deleted. Here, tap on Select at the top right corner again. Select the recordings you want to permanently remove. Now, tap on Delete on the bottom right corner. Then, tap on Delete Forever from the pop-up menu to confirm your choice. Following these steps, you can easily clean up iPhone audio recordings.